Hello viewers, plenty thank you for watching this video. Viewers, this na short documentary the way they talk to una. My name na Abdul Mansari aka DJ Dulma. This documentary now for show you the good work where one of the biggest road company na Sierra Leone. This company in name na Pavifort company. Pavifort now one of the company where if you see the township of Kabbalah on side tag na Pavifort na ain't do this work. And not forget say Pavifort the work na different side them na the country. But today we just want for limit to Kwenadugo and Falaba. Today we want for show you the Guinea Road or Dogolea Road construction where they on right now, and a Pavifort then get that contract there. Today we want for show you the good work where the CEO of Pavifort, Mr. Ali Mubari, they can do at the Dogolea Road. Well, plenty know say the good work they go on that side there. Bike man the way they pass there, people the way get motocar, and same also people the way they walk by foot. We know how you end up be there. The dust, where rain come, people and they get accidents per bike. But if you go there now, so today, you go see the road they don't make them fine one, where you go get easy access for you where they go na different side them. Falaba, Mongo, you name it. And this road construction now under the present government, when at the SLPP government, now they undertake that road construction there. And Pavifort don't they help plenty youth them, woman o, man o, na Kwenadugo district for make them go get side for engage. Apart from the road work, Pavifort they don't they help plenty na Kwenadugo district in terms of development. So today, my brother, we don't they work na Pavifort for 5 years, go help we for go through this program. In name na Mr. Dabo. We plenty they call Ajadabo. Let's go.
Hello viewers, my people in Salon, good day to everybody. Me na Alhaji Mohammed Ajadabo, where they work na Pavifort construction company. As everybody know me, say me na somebody we the advocate, but I want to tell you say I done with Pavifort construction company for the past 5 years, and I want to tell you say the best company presently inside Salon in terms of capacity, in terms of good road work. Pavifort today number 1. I want to tell you I mean that the PRO and also coordinator right now we at the work na Pavifort. And I want to tell family say Pavifort as we all know we can say Kabbalah town. That we talk about good road of the country, the town and the place inside Kabbalah, na Pavifort and we do one. You know tap though, now we don't start the Guinea Road we start from Badimbaya, go to Dogolea, heading for go Kono, heading for go Bada Kondukra. I want to tell you say family, the post way we know that road the past 5 years back. If you can't that road, that is a great change.
Paramount Chief Bauru Mansare III of Warawara Yagala Chiefdom, Kwenadugo District. First of all, I want to say thanks to God and thanks to His Excellency the President, retired Brigadier Julius Madabiu. We see and fit say this road, Kabbalah Krubola Road, for continue because the past government we don't start them. They will not say government and continuity. See and fit say if for continue. One for tell and thank you. And the man where he give the contract, the contractor, the company, we na Pavifort construction company, where we own brother, we own Peking. So Ali Mubari, the head, within team. A man we will not get any problem with. We believe say he will deliver. And that road is so important because if we talk about Falaba district, for access Falaba district, through this road. And the flagship program of His Excellency the President, where they talk about education, and now they talk about agriculture. For let people then feel, say yes, agriculture is so important. They're not going to farm and eat all. They must come with some market. And for let them get easy access to marketing, now the road. For let we get proper health care, road network for be proper, so that we will get less maternal deaths. Road no dey, if ambulance go take anybody, it can't fashion a road. What else go happen? Something else go happen. So the road is very much important. To me personally, I'm glad, I'm happy, and I know say with people in the Falaba district and beyond, up to Guinea, we will get easy access for get things to Guinea. You know, from here to Falaba, Falaba to Kwendukura, from there you don't access Guinea. We will get in, and if this road they make, it will be a big development within the two districts here. So very much happy, and we're happy for the contractor, and also happy to the government for seeing fit this road for continue.
I'm Mohamed Dabo. I work for Papi Fort. I want for tell family say Papi Fort don't ever stop work na Kabala, especially this Dogula road. And before the election safe, we been work. And what make we tap work before election, everybody know for 3 days we shut down. But after the election again, we continue work. And President as I talk to you, within 82, then I decide for going to Dogula. We do the primary right now. We try to do asphalt. And I want to tell you that say the village now they call them Fascina. So we do primary right now for go to Dogula. And farm I want to tell you that say we can't shut down because of the rain. As everybody knows, say August road work no go. But presently, our tell we will never stop work na Kabala. And we work and we continue for, but we only shut down for filter because of the season. But I want to tell you that see the work they go on.
My name is Ansman Akaba, the Youth Chairman of Kumaslaya. Now, gladness no more and happiness for this road work because we been the strain, we na farmer, we the strain for this road business because we dey make cabbage, we dey make carrot, we dey make pepper, green beans. When here is effective enough from Kumaslaya to come out. But today we be not pull ampana because for road. And effective nothing is this. The day way for pull and another day for go. But what pull I will not get lorry. Any driver will go miss for say I get cabbage 20 bag, 50 bag cabbage now Kumaslaya. They say I know the go. The road, he said the road bad. Let me lorry not go fast. If you don't give government don't give this road work to our brother when a alimu we dey glad and the road we dey happy because we don't glad back when you give our brother because when they give work to somebody give somebody when be for say we say inborn I go able we can find and if you check around Naya Dembela Musayate Dembela Senkunya the population where they go and one affected with the pamper. Even Felba district SSF. Now, and this agriculture with the pamper. But we don't get good road today. But now, all the government don't give the road to Alimu. Now, all don't glad the pass. Mark, but they don't have the sleep with the pool of vegetable. If na net they go, if na Sante they go, if na even they go.
And what thing cause that the capacity where the company get. And what tell us the Papi Fort today be internationally now. We not just in now because we work other part of the country. And what tell us the Papi Fort present as I talk now, we work na Kenema, we work na Freetown, but Kabala Usamidi. I want to tell us in terms of good work na Papi Fort can do. Now family following the capacity we get in terms of machine no present the community really try public force. In terms of capacity, in terms of staff, I want to tell you for all say Mr. Ali Mubari, the CEO, ready for this Tangawa, and the support with SLRA. Now he make even count some people outside. We get international staff there. Follow we make so see we get correct work. Now we make so see get good road. Follow we make so see the work we want for the people of this country. Let be better road. And I want to tell you that we probably for this country get a better road because in terms of engineer there we don't get problem. In terms of logistics we don't get problem. In terms of equipment we don't get problem. This all means say probably for presently inside Salo now number one. In on top though we come to the local contest policy. We look at how for support the country for increase what we call employment, public force, or one thing we me adman and public force, now the gender empowerment. We look we help picking right now. We get back up help picking with train now. We come for make society and every day the woman herself one begins with sister the operator different machine. As I want to tell you right now, we get woman with the operator compactor, then the operating grader, then they operate other machine. And for tell you say we want for me the gender equality. This company we support them because that now one thing that you do man advocate for say the they be.
My name na Alima Tukoma. Me na operator on a public force. Well, me what they for me great because why? I can't have this public force because I be the struggle. I really struggle because we no boku na family. I don't face wait for make me family then pay for me na drive school for like land this heavy duty and able get the way. Then God can send for me the lane for Alania so na the training na depa. So now I tell God thank you. I don't always sabi. So nothing no dey get per machine will be say difficult for me. Me, Mr. Ali Mo, I really tell him plenty thank you because for the effort so you don't play to really this company na Komra company down there. You can call land anything what see fit for the okay. 1 month done, you able get soap money. So then the more I tell him plenty thank you. I go na drive in school, the plenty money what then say for land heavy duty and not meet up. But yeah, I tell plenty thank you. The location of the suitcase so what been later and now it quite different. So I tell master thank you for that. Mr. Ali Mo, I tell him plenty thank you. Never then one of me good family then Kimbos, Mr. Abu. I tell them plenty thank you for the access so they access me na the community.
And the community don't say this time we want to see with Kabbalah sisters there, with Salon sisters there, for make them make sure say they say the part of what we call the trend. And want to say thanks to the government by supporting the company and giving work because I want to tell you say you know Izo as a local company where you go internationally as a company based now because if you have been foreign have been get this job obviously the money they go back.
Ali Bobari, the CEO of Paris. It's 261 kilometers. Now the first phase of the contract until Limbaya, Guinea border. Which we don't go massively for the last 4 months we signed the contract. You can see the development where they take place. We don't do a massive work. I think so what we do achieve it in the last 4 months. It's unbelievable. I wish we did not start earlier. Now the rain season they come, but at least with the better we don't prepare now. So we come after the rain season. What we will do inside the rain season, then we go. I think say after the rain season, till they go to the next rain season, I believe say that work they go almost down complete. Almost if they don't go considerably faster and long period, they go almost complete.
Thank you very much. My name is Engineer Kistet Dejeni. I'm a project manager for Pavi Fort, Kabbalah project. I came from Ethiopia. I'm working here at Kabbalah for the past 9 months. This project, it has been started earlier. It is the SLRA's plan of rehabilitating the biggest routes from Kabbalah, Kurbula to Kono, 260 kilometers, the first phase, which is from Kabbalah to Limbaya. It is an asphalt highway project. It's a design and built road project, which means the contractor is responsible for the design at the same time for the construction, making sure the client approves every documents regarding the design. So to speak about the project, we have 2 major works regarding the project. The first one is the design part. So this year we start so we finalize almost the design part of the project. We finished, completed and submitted to SLRE, the 60 kilometer design part. So we get nearly half of the project approval, and we are waiting for the next half of the project. The other major part is the construction part. So when we talk about the construction, we almost start every aspect of the project work, including asphalt, earthwork, drainage structures, material productions, earthwork excavations. All in all, almost every type of activity on the project has been started. So regarding the construction, we almost completed the first 40 kilometers of the earthwork part. It's a big achievement with a company like Pavifort. We completed almost the first 10 kilometers with asphalt. We almost complete the minor drainage structures throughout the project. We only remains the major structures. We have 3 bridges we will be focusing on as soon as this rainy season passed.
But because now we get up and now when I go come na salon come ni, now make it say like presently my brother to secret we get close to 200 staff. And out of that 200 staff, we check the following day, you know, go past 20. The balance all with it na salon as there. This the travel tell you say in terms of local contest policy, the government try and they really support to that side.
Pavifort's control room. This control room is responsible for the electrical and crushing.
Pavifort panel room. Here we get the scream, where they scream the stone, where they send on to the 040, we get the cone, we get the drum, they'll get another scream when they get the production. But from that, we get this when at the primary, when they receive the stone, they knock the stone for the stone small so the cone will receive the size of stone we need.
Okay. I want to tell you, I want to talk about the role for Godolia. Now, the way so many faces we don't do. Let's start with what we call the artwork. The artwork from Godolia 100% complete. We don't come out, we don't do priming. After the prime, we don't trace 040, 100%. And we don't come out, we don't do asphalt. For now, you know, say, Mr. Ali Mubarak really serious for this okay. And not stop for begin say, like out old machine. Now, brown new machine out on the asphalt machine, we plant, not to secret to, not to they say, as they go down by Kanuka, go sit upside, we start and plant that machine for make sure say, the quota will do by yourself now. And also, we'll get crushers there, not to secret. Go na Kanunka, we'll get the mobile crusher, we'll get 3 crushers there, or they produce on left and right for make sure say this particular road. Because we all know see this road link to Guinea. It's very important. One begins the people that travel like this will go through Kono. One begins the people that travel through Goti, go Farana, go Mali. Because the road we watch at the international road. At the end of the day, in the economic empowerment that we count for one this district, Kabbalah will be a city. Now make I want to tell you, in terms of better road in this country, support Pavifort. Now only Pavifort and good.
My name is Ahmed Kamara. I do for Pavifort. I'm a supervisor, but normally me work na quality work. Na the department I do, what them call lab. So, but I come for supervise for make sure let them do quality work. Na this end here. So na that they are for. When I do collect na day, if they see the road, then at the police station, and by the police station. So now they would make the drainage now for head to the tongue. So now they would right now.
In addition to this, I have to speak a little bit about the owner of the company, Mr. Alimu. He's a very energetic, very hardworking guy. He transfers all those positive energy towards other workers like us who are working under him. He wants to help whatever the project requires, whatever the project demands.
I say, our brother Alimu, he really try and he shows saying son of the soil, and we appreciate this kind of good work, and as well in team, I think. They show love and that kind of teamwork there. So we go tell them plenty thank you, and we really appreciate the road network, and I think it don't be very easy for we in terms of transporting our goods, you know, and we will travel for go do business, and we will travel for go now the far off community. Now the road network, I think, don't simple for we all they do with different things there along the way, so that you're able to move fast and they will return fast.
As I say, that's one of the happiest things. We see all man appreciate me in terms of the Konadugo and the Faraba people. This is my home. Now I'm in Papa Komot, and so it's something like that. Anytime we people they talk, like a own goal that achieving. Okay. Because when people they talk say yes, the work is good. The work we are doing at Kabala Township, people appreciate them. Up to now, people they bless me on them. When they go on the street, people they bless me. And I say, hey, you need to left your district. You always do a good job for your district. And this that. So that's one thing I appreciate. Even me on life is all about appreciation. Even we go all over the country right now, we are doing everywhere, massive construction everywhere. As I think, say for Sierra Leone, we don't try, and the government don't support me a lot in terms of achieving that kind of competitive structure we don't put yourself into. Okay. So I tell the government very big thanks, at least for able for support and make sure they give you the contract for low, be competitive, very busy. At least we are industry, at least foreigner or nobody they come like say overshadow we that the industry. Thank you very much for this.
And I want to tell you, Salim Barry, it's my truck and smart for make sure say in terms of service delivery. And I want to say, kudos all the staff there. Now begin like Mr. Koto MBWay, when I mean bigger brother, where I strong man, we work with now, we inside club trying for me to facilitate anything we want in the rich way. The PMO gets also not to secret. Now stranger, what I mean, I foreigner, when I very hard working man. And out and the engineer will be getting like engineer job, other staff there. The MD also when a boss Mickey, oh my God, a very dynamic MD. These are people who then come together and make so say the name of people forget, the glory of people forget today, you don't get time. Because I want to tell you, you know, so for nowhere a company people don't be the experts now with it internationally. And look at that township. Hey, Kabbalah fine. Now probably for not to dream on a video. And I want to tell you, say at any time from now we can't shut down because of the rain. But when the rain they cut, family alone and watch that road. If we buy like say na road we run para because we don't go far in terms of culvert from there to Falaba, we don't do 89.9% culvert work. We don't do art work, we don't do bush clearing. Then I'm telling you the races like we are going fast because at the end of the day, we don't get too much to do that road again. And I want to tell you, brother, I will speak for Kaita because if I probably know what to do. Thank you very much. Fumble, not forget for support DJ Julman, the man who creates local TV for me. For them to notice that piece of Kabbalah. God bless you, God bless all.
The work will tell them, Chenki, they put away and the work. Or tell the president, Chenki, we don't do this work. We are very fine for look. Then try. Anyway, then try, then do the best. Because yeah, it's been bad for worker. Now they don't make a clarity too much. Or appreciate for this work here. Mankind will clarity too much.